Greetings! I'm eating a cream egg. And yes, it is the same cream egg I mentioned in the last video. Due to that, I apologise if my voice is a bit bad to start with. But let us hope, against all odds, that my controller actually works today. Well, that wasn't very nice of you, Silver Knight. I get you trying to protect Bitch-Face McGee, but you'd be a little bit kinder about it, don't you? Ah, there we go. Cream egg's gone. I eat my cream eggs all in one, most of the time. Probably not the healthiest of decisions I have ever made, but alack, alas, who gives a fuck? Why is this door not open? Was there another one to the right? No. I'm just gonna... I see how it is. Hello! How do you do? Damn man, that's a good shield you got there. Blocking all my damage. I did not mean to chug there. That was a wasted flask. Where's the bastard? Hello there. Darling. You need to die. One day, it will. Unfortunately, that day and this day are not the same day. Should be a way down there. But I don't know what it is. Well, I suppose as we went that way before, we can come this way now. Hello, Archer McGee. How do you do? You having fun there? 'Cause you won't be soon. Die, bastard. Thank you. Was this the guy who was shooting at me earlier? Perhaps. No? Everything's meant to link up in this game. Everything tends to usually anyway. So... where does this link up? Oh well. Could just be that something doesn't for once. Did you bother considering that? Not really, no. Oh god. Roll! It's the Black Knight sword versus the Silver Knights. What will win? No one will know until the end of the bout. And those who that win chug the most Estus. So I shall chug the most Estus. My true justified belief shall come true, and Plato will be proud. Hadouken. Ken. I would make such an awful commentator, but I have fun. And that's what this is all about, isn't it? Having fun. Making friends. Having fun. Making friends. Making friends and having fun. That's what it's all about for me, man. That's what it's all about for me. Every time. Every time. That's what it's about. Then we go up the stairs. Yes, we go up the stairs. Up the stairs! Like so. I thought you would be slightly more outside, but that's fine too. Woo. I do like how everything tends to explode in this game. Hello there, Archer McGee. Excuse me whilst my endurance regens. Now I need to chug more Estus. See, I'd be out of flask otherwise. I just got arrows, no bow. Sad times. I mean, I think you get the bow from a chest, but I'm not 100% sure. So, it's best to, you know, check all your options and all of that jazz. Jazz, jazz, jazz. Should probably open this door down here. If I ever want to get anywhere in life, that is. Oh dear. I forgot about you. I knew there was a second one, but I wasn't sure if it was a long pike-esque weapon-wielding meanie butt who bashes people with his shield. Why did my attack not work? My attack's meant to stagger when I've got two hands. Oh well. Good old easy mode. Reeve Run 2 would be dead here many, many times. Due to the Dex build. The Dex build. The Dex build. Sorry. I think I went slightly too extreme there. Oh, that's funny stuff. Funny stuff. What do we get? Yeah, man. Silver Knight equipment. Shall we have a look at it? Silver Knight helm, 21 to 27, but it weighs more and better lightning defense. But I don't want to have a pointy head. However, I do like their main piece, but it's going to be a lot worse, yeah. Nope. Gloves, also worse. May as well, though. Let's go mostly Silver Knight, because they do look pretty cool. Though it doesn't really suit me. It only suits that giant frames. But I say, should we switch back to the gauntlets and go for the Havel legs? Because the Havel legs are pretty cool. That is a slow roll. However, I think I like this. This is some good fashion souls we've got going on. Right, so I've now opened that door, so I have the shortcut up here, which means I won't get fucked up so much. Whew, that's good. That's very good. So, let's come up here, shall we? See what happens. Because I know where we are now. Where's an enemy? Over there. There's fucking big dudes down there. Now then, I think there's another bonfire roughly around here somewhere. Roughly around here somewhere. I don't know what I'm talking about. Now then, I need to come over here, if I'm not mistaken. And to come gently down here. I mean, very gently. Just to unlock the thing. Have I done it wrong? Maybe. Yeah, I have. I'm not gonna make it, am I? Nope. And I'm dead. I'm not dead. I should be dead. Things would be better were I dead. Let's say it that way. Oh well. I have a plan though. Right, my plan consists of running away back down to the start of last episode here, and hopefully having Homeward Bone. Oh man, I done goofed. Oh well, it shouldn't be too difficult to get back there this time. Not too difficult. Fwa fwa fwa. Yeah. Now I've only got the one Homeward Bone there, so that's irritating, if I do say so myself. And guess what? I do. Hey, how very dare you? How double very dare you? One So, discussion time with me. Do you guys ever just sort of worry about people? Or have discussions with people? and that increases a worry that you naturally and innately have for all people that you care even slightly for. Because I do. And I'm not talking today about the person that I usually notify I worry about. Because, yeah. Just thinking, people worry about people. And I'm not sure whether people should take it as a compliment, or whether they should not. It's a strange thing. It's very strange, very strange. Right then. What I think I'm going to do, right, I'm going to run, hopefully past these guys. Ow. That is not what I had intended, not what I had intended at all. Oh dear, I did not expect them to follow me this far. I'm going to get myself deaded if I is not careful here, bruv. Sorry, Soler, I has a shit to drink. Don't land on me. You landed on me. That's exactly what I told you not to do. How very dare you. I don't think I'm able to open these, am I? No, I didn't think so. Hello! Hello, lovely. Okay, so I'm not going through that fog door yet. I am very much not prepared for that. But I want to come up here and see if there is another bonfire about here, because I'm fairly certain there is one somewhere this side, but I could very well be wrong. I mean, I usually am about things that I'm fairly certain of. Come down here. Had a look around, make sure nothing's going to kill me immediately. I just got scared of my own shadow. Literally. Oh my god. This game. This game. Ooh. Hello, blacksmith. How do you do?
Who are you? Forge your weapons?
What you got for me? Twinkling. I could do with some twinkling. I need at least 2. Do you have 2? Oh, I don't have enough money for 2. Okay, I'll come back. Having used this here soul of a hero. 10,000? Hello. Forge I can. Sorry, I can't hear it, so I'm just gonna impersonate and hope it's not awful. No, that's the wrong one. I want to purchase an item, a twinkling titanite. Yay. Giant's halberd and giant shield. And they have the giant armor here, which is probably made from ancient brass. They also offer protection versus non-physical attacks, and due to their giant size, are extremely heavy for humans and impedes stamina recovery. Yeah, that's probably not the best of armor, if you ask me. Hello! How you doing? You dead? You dead? You are! Ha ha, how did I guess? Hello there. Did I only aggro one? Is there only one? Maybe I thought there was more. Colossal death! That's what it is for you. Colossal death! Cool. Make sure there's nothing down here. Cool. Again. Then come over here. Open this little door. Hello! That's what I was trying to do before, by the way. Then come over here. Is there 3 or just the 2? Just the 2? Okay. Hello there! Stop fucking trying to murder me and let me murder you. I think that's a much fairer deal. I do indeed. Do you care to agree with me? No? Well, that is a shame, isn't it? Die! That's good. Thank you for that. Now it's your turn, fool. Fool of a took. Yeah. Goodbye. I mean, you've got wings and you can fly, but you don't do that. Titanite chunk. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. I hope there's nothing down there. Ooh, it dropped something. What did it drop? Demon Spear. Oh man, that's gonna be a dex weapon, isn't it? Ooh, scales well with both. It does lightning damage. Oh me, oh my. So that technically should do 273 damage? Whereas mine does 286. What do you need to upgrade this thing? I don't know. Carved from the bones of fellow demons, wielded by the slim, lesser Batwing demons. The weapon of Chaos demons wandering and Orlando are different from those of other Chaos demons. They are imbued with lightning. Cool. Let's see how this works, shall we? Long stab. That uses a lot of time and stamina. Normal attacks. Go two-hand. This thing's huge! Pounce! That's cool. And... okay, so you can't use it to throw lightning, but oh well. This is a pretty cool weapon, I like it. Hello, Forger time. Strong I am. Reinforced weapon? Demon Titanite? Yeah, boy! Don't have enough souls to upgrade this. But, now I've upgraded it once, let's see what it's doing, damage-wise. 110 plus 58. And now it's 132. So in total, that's 110, 168, 268, 290, 300. This is more damaging than my other one if things take lightning damage. So I guess that means I should probably use one of my lesser soul things if I have any. Oh, I don't. Okay, just use a normal big old soul thing. Brave warrior soul. How much do I get? 5k. That'll take. That's just enough to do one more reinforcement. I know. I know. Okay, now I've got a cool spear. I'm going to keep getting my Zweihander up eventually. So I've got 2 out of 1. So maybe that means I've got 1 out of 2. Yeah, probably. So I need more Titanite shards for the Zweihander. Let's see if I can buy them. I can. Cool. Forget of that. Again. Cool. I will. Don't you worry, Mr. Cool Giant Bro. I will. I like the forgers, the smiths in this game. They are kind to me. Okay. Also, I believe that, yeah, you can attack from behind a shield in this. Because it's a spear. Dun 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 dun. Why was I just making a tune from Joseph and the Technicolor Magical Dreamcoat thing? I don't know. Oh man, lightning resist. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Especially when you got your giant friend trying to murder me. Let me just switch back. Because that weapon may be better outside of this place, but everything here has lightning resistance. Don't you be using your massive bow of deadly destruction on me. Buckaroo. Fucking deadly destruction bow person. Come at me, bruh. Bruh. You serious? You serious, bruh? Is that all you've got for me? Ha! Pafada. Yes, I want to summon that phantom. Of the opera! Modus operandi? Summoning phantom. Come on, Soleil, you're better than this. You can murder them without giving a shit. Dee-dum da dee-dum, dee-dum da dee-dum, dum dee-dum. Hello there. You after me, bruh? You after me, is that it? Bruh, that's not cool. You just shield slammed me. How fucking dare you? Then you just exploded. Quite literally exploded. This is not a nice thing for you to do. I know it's probably not the best idea for me to get Solaire in before killing these guys, but I need to relearn their movesets before I can manage to do this myself. So even if it does damage good old buddy Solaire, it's probably worth it, even though I will die in this next fight. Almost guaranteed. Are you ready for Pikachu and Snorlax? I'm just going to let you watch this cutscene. Okay then. Dragon Slayer Ornstein and Executioner Smaug. Or Smaug, however you want to say it. Jesus, I forgot how fast you are. And I forgot how fast you were for your size. Fucking Jesus donkeys! Oh, I forgot how difficult this whole thing is. And I'm out of Estus. This isn't good. And I'm getting a phone call. Hello? No, it's 9:45, right? Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm alright, thank you. I am, yes. I made sure I was up in plenty of time. Cool. Thank you. See ya. Bye. So that was my nan, reminding me about the doctor's appointment I mentioned last episode or the episode before. So Leia's was doing fairly well. Anyway, I'm going to need to use that now. Thank you. Because, holy crap. Yeah, now you know what we're going to have to grind our way through in the coming times. If I can manage to edit it, which I probably won't, but if I might be able to get someone to help, maybe, I'll probably do a failtage of an episode, well, in an episode, of attempts at me killing Pikachu and Snorlax / Ornstein and Smaug. But for now, my name has been James. I'm going to need a fast roll. Your name's been whatever. This is Solaire. We have made progress, even though it doesn't really seem like it. And my controller worked this episode for some reason. So, I will see you cats on... Come on, can I do it here? Yes. On the flip-flop. Goodbye.